Hello, we will be learning how to install an operating system using a virtual machine, such as Microsoft Hyper-V, VMware, and Oracle VirtualBox. For this video, we will be using Oracle VirtualBox since it's what I'm most familiar with. For the first step, go to the VirtualBox website, as seen on the link below. Then you click on the download VirtualBox. Choose the appropriate version for your operating system, either Windows, Mac, or Linux. And then download and install the VirtualBox by following the on-screen instructions. Now we're going to name our operating system Ubuntu and choose the ISO image or the operating system Ubuntu. And it will automatically detect if it's either a Linux or a Windows operating system. As you can see, it already has the type, which is Linux. And then you click on Next. Now, as you can see here, you can either change the username and password. And I'm going to change my password into, well, password. Password. You can either change the host name too. And now for the virtual machine's hardware, I recommend at least 2 gigabytes of base memory and 2 processors. As for the virtual hard disk, you can just set it at 25 gigabytes, and then after summary you can check it. And after that, as you can see, we have the Ubuntu operating system available, and then you can start it. Just have to wait. And after you check the summary of the settings of the virtual machine to see if it's correct, and then you click on finish. And upon pressing finish, the button on the virtual machine will load up shortly after. You can either click on try or install Ubuntu, which is supposed to let you try a demo version of it first, but instead proceeds to the installation process. Then once you start the virtual machine, and then when an error says seems to be running on unsupported hypervisor, means you need to enable virtualization in your BIOS settings. And then when the error says switch to a supported graphic device, can be fixed by enabling 3D acceleration on the VirtualBox settings. But as have multiple users experienced in this version, you don't have to do anything since it still loads up Ubuntu without any issues. And you are done. And you can search the terminal by typing in term or shell. and then you might want to type in sudo apt get update, which updates the package list if there are any from the Ubuntu repositories. Sudo apt-get upgrade checks for updates based on the list retrieved by sudo apt-get update and installs the latest version of the packages currently installed on your system. After successful upgrade, you can now reboot the system by using sudo reboot, and you are done.